What's up, y'all? Yeah, me again, TJ with Fake It or Make It. You know the drill. In today's video, I want to show you how I tackled a little project that I've had kind of sitting in the background the past few months. It involves sewing leather by hand. Now, I've really never done any kind of leather work, never sewn anything. So I watched probably about 5 minutes worth of YouTube, got as much as I need to know down pat, and then I started practicing, made a few stitches, did some stuff with just wrapping leather, suede leather around a stick and just trying to do some practice runs on a similar item that I would want to be ultimately doing in my project. Now, this is a stool that was my mom's grandmother's little old stool. She had this forever. There's no telling how old this thing is. It had like tons of thick black paint on it, probably full of lead. We stripped it down, took it all the way back to bare wood, and I made a custom mixture of ebony and dark walnut. Restained it, tongue oiled it, got it where it needs to be finish wise. And then this is the leather portion that I'm talking about. I took some suede leather that I bought from Hobby Lobby that comes in a pack of a big pack or whatever. I think it's a pound or so, and it's just remnants. And I thought I was just going to have, you know, enough scraps in there to just play around with, but actually there was pieces in there large enough to do my little project, so it worked out. And I'm not sure if this is how the original stool was meant to be done, because there's only 4 nail holes right over the legs, but there's no nail holes in here like it had slats. Whenever we took it apart, it had like a piece of MDF tacked down to the top of it. So I'm not sure if it originally had cloth or leather spanning it, but I thought it was a neat way to go about bringing this thing back to life and incorporate another medium in this. And like I said, this is just some remnant leather pieces that I got from Hobby Lobby. I got the needles and the thread, wax thread from Hobby Lobby, all right there. I used a 3-hole punch. Now, it's not as straight as it possibly could be. I mean, it's not bad. You can see where I took it, made the sheet, folded it over on the edges, gave it a little bit of a bead right here on both sides of there, stitched it on the bottom, and then I wrapped it around the dowel. I didn't want to try and take this apart for fear of damaging it. It would have been way easier to be able to take it apart and then slide the dowel through and put it back together, but I was too worried about tearing this thing up, so I stitched it in place, and that was a pretty good challenge in itself. But it actually worked out really nice. I think it looks pretty cool. So y'all follow along, check it out, tell me what you think. And if you've ever done anything like this, let me know down in the comment section. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Let's get after it.